It seems to be another episode of Leon Forgets to Film a Callian Show, so instead of going to a lot of effort out of doing something really difficult and planning and whatever, I'm just going to talk to you for a minute so that I fulfill the requirements that I have agreed to do. Let's see how long I can continue without stopping and pausing. Oh my god, this is kind of difficult. You know what just occurred to me? There is a thing of Batman, an inflatable Batman in my room, and I need to inflate it. Okay, this is total stream of consciousness, so welcome to my brain. The trees sound really beautiful outside, and out of the corner of my eye I can see my Harry Potter audiobooks, and also my Harry Potter series, and my typewriter, and, potatoes are delicious, and I had some Dairy Queen ice cream tonight, and I made earrings. Do you like them, camera? I made them. I don't know if you can see my whole face or part of my face, but yeah, also carrots. Carrots are good. Actually, they're not my favorite. It just popped into my head. Why do potatoes and carrots pop into my head? This is difficult. I wonder if it's been a minute yet. I don't know, so I'm just gonna keep on talking for a little while longer. The trees really do sound nice. Evening is my favorite time of day right now, lately, in general. I also like nighttime. It's nighttime. I'm gonna go right now. Goodbye. Thank you for listening to my thoughts. I did it.